So another project, XL600 RM. So what's wrong with this bike? See, this hole, plastic is molten, rear sprocket bent, foot pegs. So the whole exhaust. Tubes missing. Not sure if this is just the battery. Seems to be a little leak here, probably. Not sure what this is. Have to check the cables. Here, missing cable. The spark plug seems to be changed, like the wire. And here needs to be changed. Also this is broken plastic as well. Here it's broken. Rubber is old. Missing screws. Some rubber tubes missing. There is a dent here, but it has a key, so it's nice. It has 52,000 kilometers. So this screen has to be changed. It's yellowish. Levers. Look here. So gear changing. The battery is dead. All tires. The seat has to be changed. Okay, so this will be the next project. Okay, another thing, once I remove the seat, look at this. Not properly used. This one is broken, and the seat definitely saw better days. Look. Next thing. Look. Some strange bolt here without a washer. At least there should be a washer. This is broken off, holding there somehow, but that will be necessary to weld again for sure. What else? Look. The battery mount should be here. Look at this. Here. So either I will try to either I can try to fix it. Let's say use some kind of carbon fiber something, or I will try to find another piece to replace this. Yeah, the cable. Okay, I tried to put battery there, but there is no light, so I have to check the wiring. Not sure if there is, you know, something broken or not. Here, another point. There is no screw here. Wow, not sure if it is broken off or not. Hopefully it is just not there and it was not broken. Yeah, this, look, something weird. Here there should be a chain slider, nothing there. Well, the more I disassemble it, the more things I find, so this will be nice.